Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on your MacBook Pro. The key to enjoying this popular mobile game on your Mac is using an Android emulator, which effectively creates a virtual Android phone right on your computer. This clever software lets you download and run mobile apps just as you would on a smartphone or tablet. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of mobile gaming to your larger screen and powerful hardware. We will cover the steps to get you battling in no time. Selecting the right Android emulator is crucial for a great gaming experience. Popular choices like BlueStacks and Nox Player are widely recommended due to their strong performance and user-friendly interfaces. It is important to check their system requirements to ensure compatibility with your specific MacBook Pro model and operating system. You want an emulator that provides stable gameplay, smooth graphics, and easy control mapping for Clash Royale. This careful selection prevents frustration and enhances your overall enjoyment. Once you have chosen your emulator, download the installer directly from its official website to ensure you get the legitimate and latest version. The installation process is generally very simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions, accepting any necessary permissions. After installation, launch the emulator and you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account, which grants you full access to the Google Play Store. From there, you can easily search for and install Clash Royale, just like on any Android device. To get the best Clash Royale experience, take a moment to optimize your emulator settings. Adjust the resolution and dedicated RAM to ensure smooth frame rates, perhaps allocating 4 GB of RAM for the emulator if your Mac has sufficient total memory. Most emulators allow you to map keyboard keys and mouse clicks to on-screen actions, giving you precise control in battles. For example, you can assign cards to specific number keys. This fine-tuning makes a significant difference to your competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.